Welcome, beloved soul, Stargate Soul Intuitive. Today is all about Archangel Raguel's prayer of remembrance, honoring those 9/11 and the soul of Gary Bird. Because on this day of remembrance, we honor those lives lost on 9/11/2001. Archangel Raguel, the angel of harmony and justice, brings us a sacred channel prayer of comfort for all families, friends, and the souls touched by that day. Today, I especially honor my friend's husband, Gary Bird, who was lost in the South Tower on the 99th floor that day. He's a husband, father, and friend who carried wisdom and light, and he's remembered with love today. As always, in this remembrance, Archangel Raguel is offering us a prayer of peace for the departed, comfort for the families and the loved ones, and assurance that their light continues in eternal remembrance. Our prayer with Archangel Raguel: bring balance and peace to the souls who crossed over on that day. Embrace the families left behind with love and heal the sorrow with harmony from heaven. Let us remember, let us honor, let us hold one another in love. Beloved soul family, today we pause its sacred remembrance of 9/11. On that morning, so many lives were taken suddenly, and the ripples of grief still touch us deeply today. Archangel Raguel, angel of justice, angel of harmony, is stepping forward now with a prayer of peace. I hold in my heart today the soul of Gary Bird, the only one from Arizona who perished that day. On the 99th floor of the South Tower, a husband, a father, a man who wrote the book on risk management, whose love of family and life continues to shine beyond the veil. Archangel Raguel says that each soul who crossed over that day is not forgotten. Their light endures, their voices echo in eternity, and their legacy remains in love and memory. So together we pray, we embrace the souls who left on earth that day, bringing comfort and peace to their families, friends, and children who grew up without their loved ones. May divine harmony restore where grief still lingers. May remembrance turn that sour sorrow into sacred honor. May this remembrance turn all the sorrow into sacred honor, and make justice and truth forever. Hold their names in light. We remember, we honor, we continue to love. And so it is. Maybe today, use a candle flame as a remembrance and prayer. Thank you, Archangel Raguel. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, follow, subscribe, and comment if you will. Sending prayers to all of those that have been touched by 9/11/01, those lost. Perhaps you have a loved one that perished that day as well. Sending you blessings, prayers, and healing, and light. Bye.